Future marches of the penguins could have new families. And humans found out about them in a very unusual way. News.com has learned about a major discovery involving emperor penguins, which are considered a threatened species. 4 new colonies have been found, on different sides of the Antarctic coast. None of the colonies are in the middle of the continent, close to the South Pole. Emperor penguins bring up babies on frozen sea ice along the coast during winter months. Scientists say climate change is melting that ice and forcing some penguins to move. But they're not necessarily moving toward the South Pole. Research by the British Antarctic Survey released Saturday, January 20th, finds one colony recently walked 19 miles east. It was found in the Halley Bay area, a place where researchers had not looked for them before. Yet Britain has a research station there. Emperor penguins have taken it upon themselves to try to find more stable sea ice, researcher Peter Fretwell told the Associated Press. If the ice becomes unstable and breaks, many chicks often die. So that explains why some colonies have moved. A map provided to BBC News shows the 4 newly discovered colonies are near Gips, Lazarev North, Venhoefen, and Verliger Point. But how the penguins were discovered may be the more curious story. They were photographed by satellites that searched for brown spots on the white ice of Antarctica. In other words, researchers hunted for bird droppings. The larger the stain, the more penguins there are likely to be. News.com actually explored the penguin poo topic in March 2023. Some scientists say it's vital for growing plankton which can absorb carbon dioxide. The discovery means 66 known emperor colonies now are known to exist. One penguin colony typically consists of fewer than 1,000 breeding pairs. Thousands of young emperors died from the cold or drowned in 2016, when sea ice under them broke near Halley Bay. Emperors are the largest among penguins, but still not that tall. Some are more than 3 feet tall. Their total population is an estimated 550,000. But that's not many in scientific terms. Current models suggest that if CO2 emissions continue to rise at present rates, almost all colonies will be quasi-extinct by the end of the century, the full study in the journal Antarctic Science warns. These birds are going to have to be adaptable, to move around to new sites as those ice conditions continue to change, Fretwell said. Researchers used the European Space Agency's Sentinel-2 satellite to track the penguins' progress.